morning. Today is camp day and I've been up since 7:30 just prepping stuff for brunch later when we get to our campsite. I just made some vermicelli noodles because I'm gonna be making kawg clear over there, and then I'm just gonna be chopping some cilantro and green onions, and then make sure everything is cut and washed and all that stuff. When I get over there, I just need to make the broth. That way it'll be a lot easier for me. Kuda? Okay. Oh. We made it here to camp and we just got done setting everything up, and I just started the broth for the kawg chia. Ready for a shot. Termana, a beer. I think 4 case. Woo. These are okay. Yeah. Enjoy a shot. Did you cook? Ooh, look at this. No.
Yeah, I'll turn it already.
Get from the bottom.
There you go. It's too full.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, 2023.
Oh, 2023.
It's pretty cool because it's really tall.
Oh shit, yo! What the yo?
Cheers. Wow, yummy.
Well, there's kawg, there's fish over there. Bro.
Can you come closer?
He's trying. He's trying. Kevin, come here.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, Charlie.
Chia có đầy đua, chỉ bỏ có luôn chi. Cho thầu ý, cho tôi mua chi. We are hiking down to go to the lake. We found a trail that's near our campsite. I did not know that there was a trail here because we thought we were going to go all the way to the front and walk down, but there's actually a trail, so we're hiking down. Kevin, Kia, Jennifer, and Cher. They drove down because we have a lot of stuff like our cooler and chairs and all that. So they're bringing all that down. And I did not vlog this morning because didn't really do much. We just ate the kaponchia again. Didn't get to make breakfast. Maybe tomorrow morning. But yeah, definitely looking forward to coming back up because we're gonna be grilling and making cucumber papaya. So yeah. Cheers! I have avocado, cucumber, pickles, red onion, cheese, lettuce, and ham or turkey. One of them, maybe both. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Okay, now drink.
Em lột tay ơi. Hello, it's the last night here and we're just finishing up cooking dinner and then gonna eat, chill, maybe play some games and then call it a night. Shredding cucumber to make cucumber papaya.
Chef now. Do you want to put more, that is the long way, or they cut for him? Huh? That is the long
Only
way?
the sauce though.
Some more sear stick. Yeah, and then box. Big old stick.
Qua chiều luôn go.
Bé chén tay nhu á. Bé nàng gai nhu các cá nơ, ok? Next to is not low.
Too bright. Ooh, come on. Too bright yellow.
Qua chiều. Yum. Steak.
Oh, shit.
Those are for the tacos?
Yeah.
Ooh. Hello. Tsis.
Oh, has a chance. Wait, who's out? Who's next? I'm back. Are you just gonna make...
Got it. almost got it.
Oh, damn it!
Come on, Charlie. Now get over it. Good game.
Twice. We lost it twice. Cheers.
Shaw. Go like this. What'd you do?
I burn myself, no?
Cheers. Making s'mores.
S'mores. It's still chewy. It's not completely soft. There you go. Yay. There you go. Oh, you're smart. Listen. 你拿你睇佢哋，我都睇佢攞先好。
個 chocolate 吃咗誒。
你接我攞好咯。
Go ahead.
我叫。
你自己啲帶啊！
我這個自己啲解啊。
你快啲，你姑娘那個啲解個哩，但是今年還得個對多了嘛。要不然個月到那就做，要個現在就做，個月就做，不做一起來。個月就要多，要個去那就做，這個月起碼比較難。lanjut benar na, kakak na. Kakak nama. Itu ya, ada. Wait.
Hella drunk.
No.
Drunk no battery out.
Rồi xe bé to kẹp bị luôn nó. 2023. Good to meet new friends. And everybody's here, okay? So bé họ có kiểu share, okay? Yeah. Cheers, everybody cheers. Cheers. Thanks for the food, thanks for everything, okay? Cheers.
이거 거 힘이다. 이 밥에 이 밥에 대포.
Last one standing.
Oh, did you got it?
You
see that? You see that?
Not
See
too
what the shag
too.
with?
Hey.
Wait, what you say, babe?
The lit one here.
What you say?
Hey, last one standing. Jeez. Before
Cheers. Là chị nói có áo mông.
Wow.
Chị cho chị.
Ooh, cheers.
지졌지요?
Cheers.
Phong tin sao ít mồ.
Cheers.
Từ từ tới cho rõ.
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Giờ có bà hồ giờ.
Hả? 다시 빵네.
Last day.
Last day. Thank you for breakfast.
Thanks, Jen and Chert, for helping.
Day 3 of camping.
Bye, guys. Bye. Stay safe.
I see you in a bit.